I got one. Losi Mini JRxT. Finally got it. 2,705 of 5,000. I think I was ever going to find one of these things. I couldn't get it from my buddy's hobby shop. I missed out on that, but I was able to find this at another shop over in Cary, thanks to Brian and the guys over at Hangar 18. Let's get into it and see what's inside. Pretty dang cool. Pretty freaking cool. What do we got? Oh, we actually got transmitter batteries. Looks like a charger. A little tire tool in there. And of course the owner's manual or whatever manual there. Oh, and we're zip tied in. Wouldn't you know it? Okay, hang on. Let me get this thing out of the box on the bench and we'll go over it. Now, really, how badass is that for a ready to run? Now, that is a 1/16 scale. And man, it took me forever to find one. I had the opportunity a week and a half ago, and we had some unexpected stuff happen, so it kind of screwed me out of it. But I'm thankful that I found this one, and because I've run this truck, I've run a couple of these trucks over at a buddy's place where he's got a track, Derek and Teresa's place over there, and this little thing. As small as it, I'm usually not one to like these small rigs, but this little thing right here, even with a little brush motor in it like it's got, it's probably the most fun I've had running a rig in a really long time. It's just super cool because the track he's got is perfect for these trucks, and you can put, good God, you could put a dozen of them out there and still have plenty of racing room and run the thing just about wide open throttle all the way around that track with absolute ease. Full independent suspension, just like a regular 1/10 scale stadium truck or short course truck. It's really a pretty amazing freaking rig. Does have trailing arms on the back end. And let's see, I'm gonna pull it around here and pull the body off. Voila. And the shocks, oh my God, it's got oil-filled shocks on it, and they are adjustable. Good night, I reckon. Look at there. Easy little brush motor. 650 milliamp hour battery, already installed. ESC. Micro servo. Big goofy wheels that are just absolutely awesome on loose loam. This is one awesome little rig. Well, look at there. See-through plastic spur and pinion cover. I'm assuming that it has an adjustable clutch. Sure looks like it. And that is the coolest little thing I've seen in a long time. I've drove some over there at their place, but I don't know. It's kind of cool to have one here at the house now. And oh my God. Should have had one of these weeks ago, but hey, at least I got it now. Not exactly sure what the chassis material is, but from what I understand, it's just a shade longer than the buggy, 1/16 buggy that they're putting out. I don't know what it's called. I'm not even going to try, but I know Derek's got one over there, and I believe this is just a hair longer. But other than that, they may share some of the same parts. But that thing's too damn clean. It needs a coat of dust and some battle scars. Although I'm scared to death to run this body because, from what I understand, this body is pretty much it. There's no that I've heard of anyway. Damn it, get on there. There are no aftermarket bodies anywhere. I know last night when I bought the truck, dude man said that he hadn't heard of anything of any other bodies, and it's really kind of neat, and I hate to destroy it. Although, it may happen. I'm excited. you know, it's one thing to run somebody else's truck because you're always, or at least I am, I'm always terrified that if I break it, obviously, I got a mentality, if I break it, I've got to buy it. You know, that's only fair. Um, but it's cool to get out there and actually get some wheel time on that thing. And then it's like, man, I need this thing, you know, and then you go to find one, there's one there, then something comes up out of nowhere. And anyway, long story short, you're not able to locate one for a week or two, and then bam, find out through a friend. Thank you, Derek, for letting me know that they are available. And I thank God I got one. I should have bought two, and I might. Who knows? But anyway, looking forward to running that thing with you guys, and yeah, so thankful. Anyway. Short little unboxing video. I don't know much about these trucks. I'm learning. The only thing I'm going to do now is buy a spare battery and get ready to enjoy it. And we'll get video, hopefully. So take good care, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. We will catch you on the next one. And until then, hey, I'll see you later.